Hi everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Card Club, just with, guess what, another unboxing video. Hi everyone, it's Muffins for me. Hi everyone, it's Catherine again.
Originally $6.99.
When you see this, it's Free Stuff Friday. So you guys know the deal. You guys are coming here because you want to see what I'm going to be unboxing this month from Influenster. For the people who have not been to my channel before, I am subscribed to a company called Influenster. I'll definitely have the links down below so you can join my team. But all you have to do is fill out a few surveys and let them know your opinions on things, and they start sending you some free stuff in the mail that you get to review for absolutely free. We here at Coupon Card Club love the word free. If you've been here before, you already know that sometimes I have some videos called Free Stuff Friday, where I just mention throughout the week some stuff that you can actually get for free. But definitely Influencer is one of the companies that do provide free products for you to test with no charge, not even for the shipping or anything. So join in. All right, but let's get this thing started. So I'm going to be unboxing with you guys this new Voxbox that I got from Influencer. It is by a company called Sunday Riley. I've actually never really heard of them. They are a skincare collection line. They're cruelty-free, sustainable, and B Corp certified. So you guys can definitely check that out and see. They have the bunny ears to prove that they're cruelty-free. You can definitely see that there's some companies who claim to be cruelty-free, but they're really not. Anyway, as we open the box, you can actually see that they've got some wording in here, so I'm going to check that out and read that for you. Sunday Riley and AHA Moment, aka an alpha hydroxy acid, like these found in both of Good Genes and Clean Rinsing, exfoliating by loosening the bonds between dead skin cells. The results, smoother and clearer skin. So what they have is the Good Genes, which is brightening appearance and dark spots, clarifying skin, preventing clogs and pores, exfoliating skin for an instant glow, and instant plump lines and boost radiance. So these are the names of the products that it's going to be. It's not saying that, you know, it's only for Good Genes. That's just the name of the product. And then the Clean Rinse is a clarifying product reducing from the hair, helps dissolve oil buildup on the scalp, and helps prevent healthy growth, exfoliating the scalp for less flakiness and itchiness. You know, I have issues with like dryness and flakiness on my head. Usually during the winter months, it does get a little worsened. For instance, I actually stopped blow drying my hair a couple of years ago because of that, because it used to get dried out so badly. So I actually don't use the blow dryer. I let it air dry completely. So they did also give me like this little introduction thing, which tells me each of the products again and how to use them. Of course, Influencer has their instructions to make sure that I sign in and do a little bit review. But the Clean Rinse creates small parts in your hair. When you use the nozzle tip, squeeze the bottle, apply to scalp, massage well, and keep it in for a minimum of 3 minutes up to 30 minutes. So you definitely can leave it in for a longer period of time, kind of similar to how they have hair masks where it helps your hair get a little healthier. This is kind of like a scalp mask. Rinse well and follow with shampoo as usual. And then the Good Genes is apply 1 to 3 pumps of Good Genes to clean dry skin, dry at night, and leave in on the treatment. So you leave the treatment on your face all night long. Follow up with a moisturizer as usual. So afterwards you place it on, you can definitely put a moisturizer on so it can be good. All right, so the first thing that we're going to be looking at is this clarifying scalp serum. I don't know if you guys can see that even with the wrapper. I don't know if it's in there, if it's not bouncing off. I'm gonna try to get it off. But the Clean Rinse Clarifying Scalp Cream is the ABH infused. It helps with dead skin, cleanliness, and healthier looking scalp, refreshing your hair. So it's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get this bad boy open. Should have brought my trusty dusty scissors. Oof. That will take a while. I ripped the box. It's okay though. So clean scalp, happy hair. That's like their motto, if you can see it. And as you can see, this is the bottle. I actually like the aesthetic of it. It's kind of like monochromatic. This is the clean rinse, and it does have the little spouts here. Let's open it up a little bit. Ooh, I took it off completely. So you just twist it off a little bit. You don't have to pull it off all the way. Let me try to push it back on. There we go. So it is a squeeze nozzle. You just push it out and close it back up. You can see. So it's pretty cool. This one is actually 4 ounces. So it's 4 ounces. You probably don't need that much to put on your scalp. Just so you can have healthy skin, create a small part in your hair. Yeah, 3 to 5 minutes. This can be used weekly. So I suggest when you're doing your mask Mondays, for my curly natural hair people, usually on Mondays they do what's called the mask Monday, where they put a hair mask in their hair. I think that this is also important to do on that type of day, where you can help out the growth of your scalp and get everything back to normal. And this is the Good Genes aesthetic treatment. It looks pretty fancy. I kind of like this. This looks kind of nice. It's kind of nice. I like it. We're gonna open it up. Oh, and it is a pump, so it's a little bit of a pump. So yeah, a little bit. Yeah, smells kind of good. A little perfumey, but that's okay. Yeah, so definitely I am going to be trying these products out. I will let you guys know what exactly it's going to be like and how it works out. I do normally have problems with my scalp. I don't know if you can see it from here, but usually it is pretty bad. But I'm definitely excited to try this new product out. I've never really heard of them. I know that they, on their website, they do definitely they do express that they are a green technology. They're committed to green technology. We use advanced clinical proven ingredients blend with balanced botanicals for non-irritation, fast-acting formula. So it's like they're kind of their thing, that they kind of want like all natural things, and they want everyone to be safe. Our products are produced in small batches. So this is actually the actual size of the products. They're not big products because they're all natural, and you know how natural stuff does. They're usually very potent for a minimum amount of time, and they're really good to use though, but they're better for your scalp. So it does say that it does last up to 12 months after you've been using them, so don't check it out. But thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who want to join our group, I'll have the link down below. And if you want to come to a coupon meeting, we have them every Tuesday. All you have to do is send me a quick email at couponcardclub@gmail.com. All right, beautiful people, so good to see you, but you know I gotta go. See you soon.